Welcome to Goya's Anvil. Today we are covering advanced math topics you will see on the SAT, including functions, quadratic functions, rational and absolute value equations, exponential functions and their graphs, plus other key concepts that you need to master for the SAT math section. In this video, we will walk through 13 questions from a unit test provided by Khan Academy, and I will explain each one step by step so you can fully understand the ideas behind solutions. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will be happy to help. Let's get started. Okay. So, in the given equation, C is a positive constant. What is the value of C? Okay, it's not very hard question. The thing that we need to do is multiply this one by minus 5x. Okay, minus 20x squared plus 25x squared y minus 40x equal to minus 20x squared plus minus minus, it would be plus 25x squared y minus 5xc. Okay. I will change color. This one cancels out. This one and this one cancels out. We have left minus 40x equal to minus 5xc. It would be plus. This one is cancels out. Okay, let me change the color. X cancels out, and we have 5c equal to 40, which means c equal to 8. Okay, let's check. Yes, next. For what value of x is the expression undefined? When any kind of expression equal to 0 and 0, it would be undefined. Okay, let's do it undefined. We make it equal to 0. When a over b would be equal to 0, we need to make a equal to 0, but b not would be equal to 0. X equal to 0, x equal to, 7x minus 4 doesn't equal to 0. Here x doesn't equal to 4 over 7. Okay, let me check. Okay, let's put it and check it. In the case of first one, if we put x 0, it would be 0. 7 multiplied by 0 minus 4 would be like this. And this kind of, it's undefined. It is undefined. Okay, let this one also children check it. Okay, it would be 0. No. Okay, maybe it would be, yes, the second answer is correct, because when the denominator of any expression will be don't equal to this one, our function is not defined. The math, there is a gold rule in math in which denominator cannot be 0. If we put this one here, the denominator would be 0, which is not applicable in math. Next, which of the following expressions is equivalent to this one? Okay, let's take which one? Minus 12. It would be k minus 6, I guess. Not. Is it correct, or is it anything that I missed here? Yeah, it's true. Okay, it would be minus 2 over k. Okay. I'm sorry for ugly mistake I made here. It would be here minus 7, and we have minus 7. So do we have such answer? Yes, we have, but they make this minus effect to this one by like this one, minus k plus 7. The answer would be B. Let's check it. Yes, next. The graph of this one is shown in the xy plane. Which of the following characteristics of the graph is displayed as a constant or coefficient? in the equation. Okay, they are saying constant, like doesn't change in coefficient. Let this one equal to 0. Let x with 0 minus plus 1. It would be 1. No, it is not base, constant, or coefficient. The coefficient is here, must be equal to 12. It's not 12, it's 13. So it cancels out. So the value x approaches as the value y approaches as x becomes very large. I think it's correct. Let's check. Yes. Next. Okay, let's divide it by 2. We get 36 equal to x squared. Can you guess a number? Like any kind of number. If we square it, we get this one. It is minus or plus 6. That we get this one. And if imagine they are give like condition, here we will get 6. So I don't see here any kind of condition, so I will get errors. Yeah. Next. Okay, it's the thing is that we need to plug in, and that's all. 5 multiplied by 4 minus 3. We get 17. Yep, next. If x plus 6 is a factor of polynomial function h, what is the value of... we need to put here, we get 0. Let's check, it may be correct. Yep, next. A quadratic equation is graphed. Which of the following equations could be paired with the graphed equation to create a system of equations whose solution set is comprised at this one? Okay, can we check it? I think this one, let's check. Let's put x2. Here, if we put 2, it would be minus 3. Yes, correct. If we put minus 3, it would be 3. Yeah, it's correct. I think its answer is D. Yes, what I did here, I just plug it in here. For example, y equal to minus 2. Yes, it would be minus, y here would be minus 2. So, yeah, next. Which of the following expressions equal to x? Okay, it's not hard. It's kind of easy. We need to take x. Let's take x equal to 7 over 3y, which is 8. Yes, next. The graph of this one is shown in the xy plane. What are the coordinates of the zeros of x? Okay, they are saying what is the coordinate of zeros 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have this one? Okay. I'm really sorry. So I made a mistake here. When x equal to 1, y equal to 0. When x equal to 3, y would be 0. So 1, 0, 4, 0. Yep, next. Which of the following is equivalent to the given expression for all this condition? Okay, let's rewrite here to to understand better. Okay, what is 2 cubed? It would be a b minus 15 when powers are, when we just multiply it by 3 multiplied by minus 5. Okay, we don't have such answer, but it is not this answer and this is not answer. What we gonna do? We can okay, for example, we can write this one like this. It is totally correct. So we do here the same stuff. 8 plus okay, let's write it in like that. Multiplied by what's happening to me? 1 over b 15 in power. If 8 goes here, we get 8 over b 15 in power, which is answer B. Yeah, next. Okay, it's exponential decay. How I noticed, because here is less than 0. If in an exponential growth it is less than 0, it is decay. If it's more than 0, it is increasing. It's like not decay. So yeah. The equation models P, the population of Chicago in millions in year T. Okay, which of the following statements is the best interpretation of the ordered pair? Okay, let me check it. It is a year where in 2029 the population of Chicago would be this number in millions. Okay, let's check. The model predicts that the population of Chicago will be increasing at the rate of this one. I don't think it is increasing or decreasing. It is decreasing because it's like not over than zero. So I think the answer would be B. Let's check. If I'm not okay, let's carefully read. The model predicts that the population of Chicago will increase by approximately this. I think it's decreasing. No, it's not decreasing. Okay, I made a mistake here. What is the difference between A, between B, between C? The model predicts that the population of Chicago will be increasing at a rate of. I think this seems like correct. Okay, let's don't be so rush. The model predicts that the population of Chicago will be approximately. I think the answer is C. Yeah, next. Okay, which of the following expressions equivalent? Okay, the appearance of this may seem ridiculous, but it's not kinda difficult, so don't be scary. 9f plus 9 plus 9f plus 10. It will be 10. Multiplied by f. Yep. I didn't make a mistake here. Hopefully not. I think it would be it's 9. Let me correct it. It is 9. 9f plus 9f. 18f plus 19. Yes. Multiplied by f. What we will get? 19f squared plus 19f. So the answer would be D. Yes, we are done. What percent we get? What's my percent? 85. It's not good, but the reason is that we had 2 mistakes. Okay. I hope that you got everything. So thank you for your time and attention. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe